recently were at a session of Manitowoc University, held regularly at the Manitowoc Education and Technology Center, where we took the opportunity to talk to product specialists about their equipment and the innovations in design and construction that helps operators achieve more with less operational cost.
Hi, I'm standing in front of the Garland 36.6R restaurant series range, and I'd like to tell you about a few features and benefits that set us aside from the competition. We have a 27-inch working surface, but what we did was we took the burners and we actually put them evenly front to back. So now, as you can see, it can accommodate a 13.5-inch fry pan, but the burner is directly underneath the fry pan, so you're getting great heat distribution. Unlike our competition where you have a 4-inch dead space in the back and your fry pan usually overhang the front rail. We now have a lift-off burner head. Easier to clean, easier to maintain. Again, if it's easier to remove and take apart, more likely your staff will clean it. These are engineered with a little heat management tab. So when we put it in place, it'll actually separate the hot cast iron from your front rail, so no longer will your staff have the chance of burning themselves on the front rail. It's a user front rail now. It stays cool to the touch. Once we take these top grades off, you'll see we have a lift-off 33,000 BTU burner head, again for easy cleaning. It's machined to fit directly to the inventory, and it's also machined to fit like a glove to the top grade. By doing that, we trap 33,000 BTUs in your burner bowl, and they go directly to the bottom of your cooking vessel. Once we take these burners out, we can see the Venturi, and this is a patented ramped Venturi that takes the gas coming into the burner and circulates it. And what that does is it will guarantee that every port on this burner will be the same height as the one next to it, the one beside it, or the one behind it. Again, even heat distribution. Once you take these out, very easy area to clean. We also went one step further, and we took out of the service issues of clogged pilots. We now have a concealed little burner hole here. So when we put this on top of our range, our pilot burner is completely concealed, so no matter how much you spill there, you won't clog your pilot. We took the clogged pilot out of the equation. Moving down the unit, we now have a user-friendly 3-piece 12-inch grease straw. Again, if you make it user-friendly, your staff's more likely to clean it. Now you can take a 12-inch section, walk to the sink or the garbage, and dump any spillage you have. Unlike trying to walk with a cumbersome 36-inch grease pan through a busy kitchen where you may slip, spill, or hurt another employee. And we always make sure that our grease pans go fully to the back. About 85% of your boilovers will go in your burner bowl. About 10 to 15% will go on your back wall. Moving into the oven, you'll see we have 6 sides fully porcelainized. And fully porcelainized is the key word because we actually porcelainized all the sides, the doors, the bottom, the sides, the back, and the top. We put no aluminized steel. Porcelain has 2 great features, one for even heat distribution, and it's also much easier to clean. The oven is designed to take sheet pans, left to right, or front to back depending on your cooking needs. We have 3-level rack support, which gives you great versatility on what you're baking or cooking. And as always, Garland believes that there should be strength in our units, so every restaurant series is designed to take a human being to stand on the door, and in case someone's there after hours and they're working on the hoods or they're making repairs, we know if they stand on the door will not fall off. It's designed to be stood up. Underneath our oven bottom is the heart of the oven, which is a cast iron heavy-duty H burner. The oven burner is usually on all day long, so we believe that's the heart of the oven. But what you don't see is this large cast iron piece of metal in there. That'll retain heat, work as a heat sink, and perform for years without burning out like aluminized steel or a U-shaped burner. That burner, coupled with the fact that we put the capillary bulb in the front of the oven, makes this a great finishing oven. So if all I'm doing is using it as a finishing oven, every time I open and close the door, that capillary will react that much quicker, and you can rely on it to produce day after day, night after night.
So when you're looking for a range that gives you unlimited culinary creativity, unmatched durability and performance, ease of maintenance, and innovative heat technology, choose the Garland restaurant range, a range so intuitive and adaptive, it helps you take food further.